Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to show future tasks on ClickUp. Maybe you want to see the clear overview of upcoming responsibilities and deadlines to ensure that no tasks are overlooked. So today I'm going to show you how to show future tasks on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on this gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. After that, a menu will pop up below. In this menu, tap on this My Calendar Settings option. A new menu will appear, and here, you can now see this option Show Future Tasks. Now, to enable this option, simply toggle on the switch next to this option. After that, you now have successfully learned how to show future tasks on ClickUp. Your ClickUp workspace will now display all those future tasks that are waiting for you. You can now stay organized and prepare ahead of time for the following task. There you go. If you wanted to know how to show future tasks on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to show future tasks on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.